Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. We've reached the time of the midterm exam. So the midterm exam will be due the upcoming week. So it's due on Sunday, of course, and that'll be Sunday, November 20th by end of day. So Sunday, November 20th by end of day. You guys have caught up and you really got everything done for the prior week, so that's good. So let's go ahead and start talking about the midterm. The midterm will be open and it'll be listed right here. So when you click right here, you want to put in the password, and the password is COMM, C-O-M-M 2022. The midterm exam is not difficult, but it will take time. You also have to use Lockdown Browser, so make sure you have Lockdown Browser, download it, and I'll put an information packet in the in the announcement section so you know how to do that. But from the perspective of the midterm, it's a lot of questions that ask you to write about things that we've learned. There's some multiple choice, but they're really not difficult. If you take your time and you've really looked over the material so far as we've gone up through the course work, you'll be totally fine. I'll put more information about the Lockdown Browser in the announcement page, and then more information as well about how to access the test with the password if you didn't catch it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm looking forward to some great grades. You have a whole week to complete this. Don't stress about it. It's not that difficult, but really take about an hour out of your day to sit down in a quiet area to take this test so you can write in a way that makes sense and that I understand when I read it. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything. Don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.